What's up guys, Nicholas Mark here, and today we're in Niagara Falls. TV. So we just decided to come out to Niagara Falls for a bit of fun today, and it's a little bit busy here.
Actually, you know what?
That's just a little peek. Okay guys, so right now, me and Sean, we're heading up the Skywheel.
For safety, please remain seated and do not lean against the gondola doors.
Oh shoot. This is awesome. The music's super weird.
The Skywheel will rise 175 feet above the ground and provide a picture-perfect view of both the Canadian Horseshoe and American Falls. Combined water flow is estimated at over 750,000 gallons per second, which crash into the gorge below.
So, as you can see, we're pretty high up.
Super high.
Nothing can stop me, I'm all the way up.
I'm all the way up!
Doing that next.
And that's how we do it here at the Speedway in Niagara Falls, September 1st. Beautiful day. But because I have a broken elbow and recent surgery, I can't join the Speedway with our friend Nick. So that's too bad.
So after that invigorating go-kart experience, we are gonna go get some food now, and we're gonna try a few places to see if they are open or how long the wait is. And right now I see VeggieTales.
Half an hour, VeggieTales, VeggieTales.
Okay, so Rainforest Cafe is a little bit of a wait, so we're gonna go hit up Boston Pizza and we'll catch you after that. Okay guys, so we are currently in the Bird Kingdom and we're gonna check out some cool stuff. That one's so pretty. The blue one? Yeah, that one right there. Okay guys, so we are pretty much at the last stop of our trip here, and we're in the Butterfly Conservatory. What do you think of the butterfly?
Tickles. It's pretty cool.
This is why we're walking vlogging on this side of the road and not over there. As you can see, you cannot actually walk there comfortably without running into people and that. So this is pretty much the end of the vlog now.
Yeah.
Nothing more else to do other than a nice 3-hour drive back to good old Sarn Barn, but it was worth it. Like, look at that rainbow. It's not a double rainbow, but it's still nice. And
Still full on.
yeah,
Still full on rainbow.
nice falls. So, just gonna say see y'all later, and God bless.